Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my dollhouse haul, this time from Lightake.com. They sent 2 huge packages which I received last week. I didn't know that they are selling dollhouse kits until they contacted me for a review. Their best sellers are cubes, but they also have various cool stuff. There are a great selection of dollhouses, so you should check them out through the links in the description box of this video. The first dollhouse that I'm excited to build is this modern apartment with a pool. It looks amazing and I love the design. It's a full dollhouse, complete with living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. The second one is something I've been seeing from other stores but always out of stock. Luckily, it's available at Lightake. This seems to be a relaxing beach house and nice background for summer-themed photography. It's almost a full house except that a bathroom is missing. There are so many details in this kit. The next one is a kit designed by Robotime, which I have recently partnered with. In every dollhouse kit, you can really get creative. You can customize the room according to your personal preferences. I like that the kit's design is a bit unique. The last DIY kit is also cute. It looks a bit small, but there are so many detailed miniature suites, which I'm really excited about. Look at those tiny donuts. I think this diorama set will look great with my Nendoroids and toys in shooting outdoors. Again, these dollhouses are available at Lightake.com. Check them out for amazing deals and discounts. Watch out for the assembly video of these kits on my channel. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.